my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be discussing beginner friendly apps that you can use to start content creation, apps that are not going to give you too much of a hassle and no more headaches. And as a beginner you're just starting up, so you need something that you'll be able to work with, and this is what I'm going to be teaching you in this video, or rather I'll be telling you in this video. So if you want to see something like that, or if you want to see stuff like that, please do keep on watching. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this beautiful channel. We are based on beauty, fashion, lifestyle and advice videos. Content creation 101 is a series I just started, so if you haven't watched my previous videos, please do check them out. So you might find more apps as you grow in the content creation industry, or rather the entertainment industry, but these are apps that I started with, and so I'm going to be introducing you to these apps. But just remember that content creation is a wide form of art or entertainment, that once you get into it, you just want to be finding new things, you just want to discover new things. So, and I was able to discover more apps, but these apps are beginner friendly and I'm going to be sharing them with you in this video. So I'm going to start with the video editing apps, and the first app on my list is InShot. InShot was the first app I had for content creation. I started using InShot for my Android phone before I upgraded to learning about the other apps, but InShot is a baby. It's 100% recommendation from me to you as a beginner. InShot is very simple to use. There's no complication. You just go in there, do your stuff, cut and join here and there, add your music. You can also do picture in, picture out. I don't know if it's picture in, picture out or something like. One thing with content creation is that you have to always learn. So if you have to go on YouTube to learn how to use InShot, I'll advise you to do so. But it's a very simple and straightforward app that you just go in there and edit your videos and save. You can also save in 4K on InShot, which is so amazing. It has good quality and I recommend it. 5-star. My second app is my favorite actually. That's what I use for all my videos. I don't use any other app. This is CapCut. A lot of creators also use CapCut for their videos because it has a lot of things. It's just that it's a little bit complicated. It's more complicated than InShot. So I don't know, but I was able to use it. So if I can do it, you can do it. So yeah, CapCut is also a video editing app, and it also has this shortcut that you can just put pictures, put videos, and then you have a little bit of vlog. I use it sometimes, but sometimes you just want to do your own stuff and put your own music. So yeah, I had to go on YouTube to actually see what was going on the app, because the first time I came in there were a lot of things. That's the difference between InShot and CapCut. InShot is straightforward. It tells you, okay, do this, cut here, do this, do this, do this. But for CapCut, it has so many English, so many things that you have to discover yourself. If you just stay on the basics, you're not going to really enjoy the app because it has a lot of effects. It has a lot of, like with CapCut, you can create a whole movie, like a whole mad movie on CapCut. So yeah, I just advise you that if you want to use CapCut, go on YouTube and check out more. If you also want to see a video from me on how to use the basics of CapCut, me say I see the lane. So I can help you out. I can put out a video on how to use CapCut. Like I did all other video editing apps, and CapCut has been my go-to app. I use it for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all my videos. I use CapCut for all my videos. Moving forward to picture editing apps, my number one is going to be Airbrush. Amazing app. I also started using it when I had an Android phone. When I started content creation, and it was my go-to app. Like I was editing everything with it. My pictures were coming out so beautiful, so amazing, and I didn't have to do any extra work. But right now I'm loving the editing aspects of content creation. Like I love quality. I love quality. If you're watching this video and you know me, you know that I can stay for like 3 days editing one video just so my quality will be amazing. I got an extra light for that, so you guys should pray for me to buy camera. Maybe don't just send a camera for me. But yeah, if that happens, I'm going to be very happy. Anyways, let's go back to Airbrush. Airbrush has a lot of tools that you can play with. You have the soft smoothing, you have the acne removal, you have the whitening. You just have a lot, and I'm going to be putting the display here so you see what comes with the app. There's just a lot on this app that I recommend if you're new to editing and all, you just want something. And then there's a tool on this app that is just amazing. I think it's called the magic. Yeah, the magic tool. Once you just press it, everything just goes like magic really happens. No need for stress. You don't have to go through any long process trying to remove acne one by one. Everything blurs out. So my next app for photo editing is Facetune. After using Airbrush, I went ahead to start using Facetune. I was editing my pictures with Facetune, but one thing I didn't like about the app is that you have to pay for extra tools, and the tools that were there that I really loved and wanted were actually not free, so I deleted the app. But as a beginner, it's also a very friendly app. Like, you can use it without any stress. It's very beginner friendly, very easy to manipulate, and you can get your pictures done immediately without any stress if you don't want the extra things. There was a particular tool I wanted, the paint tool, because it brings out, for a beauty influencer, it brings out more of your colors, like your eyeshadows and the rest. So that was the app I really wanted, but it was, you had to pay for it, and I was not interested in paying because I knew they were free apps out there. So yeah, but Facetune is a very friendly, beginner friendly app, and I recommend it for starters. So the baby, my baby of all time, my favorite app when it comes to editing apart from Airbrush is Lightroom. I love that app with all my heart. You guys will not understand. It does the trick after the whole airbrush. After airbrushing, I go to Lightroom and another form of magic happens there. I cannot explain to you what exactly happens in Lightroom, but if you download it, you'll be able to find out for yourself. But it's also a very beginner friendly app. Like, you don't need any extra, you just go into the app and you know what to do. Like, it's that easy. You don't have to start looking for what exactly is this, what exactly is this. And one thing with editing is that you just have to try out things. Just try it out, don't be afraid. Just go press start to see what exactly it does to your picture. And yeah, so Lightroom is a very amazing app, and I recommend it. 5-star. Yeah, 5-star, because I love it a lot. I don't have to. Do you have to pay? No, I don't think there's nothing to pay for. You just have to upgrade it from time to time to get the updated version. That's all. That's all. I'm going to put some pictures that I did with Lightroom here, so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm going to put a before and after so you can see the difference. If you're watching this video and you're enjoying it, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, like this video. It really helps me a lot because it gives me more motivation to create. And yeah, please share with your friends if you can. And yeah, let's continue. Next app on my list for creators is the Canva. Canva is another amazing app. Like, it's not a picture editing app, it's not a video editing app, it's more like it's a creator app on its own. Like, it helps in creating a lot of things. You can make banners with it, you can make thumbnails, you can do anything you want to do. Media kits, influencer rates. Like, you just go on that app and there's a lot. You can make flyers, logos. If you're a business person, you can make your logo on Canva. If you want to start up a business, you can have your flyer made there. If you're even a makeup artist, you can get certificates for your students from Canva. Like, that app is just so amazing. Yeah, it's underrated. In fact, that's what I have to say. It's so amazing because it has a lot. And you can also put your creativity to play in that app, because you can just start up a new design. You don't need to go into other people's design. And another thing is that it's very easy because you can just go there and type in media kit, and then you have a list of options that will pop up, and you can just edit. Like, you can just remove and replace. It's that easy. Like, it's that easy. It's a beginner friendly app for content creators. People want to start up their media kit, people want to get into the influencer rate kit and all those things. If you want to even get a banner for YouTube, you can go up there and just type in what you want, like thumbnails. Everything is there for you. You just have to edit. Like, there's nothing too much to do. It's a very easy app. You just have to go in there. Yeah, some things are paid for, but it has a lot of free things, free options, very beautiful options for you to use without paying. So I just feel like the app is amazing. But if you have money to pay, you can't pay, because it's not something that you're going to regret doing. These are the easiest apps I could find, and those apps I've used. I didn't want to bring anything new because these are the apps on my phone and I'm able to tell you guys about it because I've used them. So I didn't want to start downloading a new app from the app store and telling you, oh, this app is great just because I saw it on somebody else's page. These are the apps I use for my videos, and they come out so clear. I use them for my pictures and they come out so amazing. And yeah, so this is the end of this video. The baby girl is tired, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want more tips and tricks on content creation, please let me know in the comment section. I love you all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.